Hello everyone, I am Saket. I am currently studying BTech second year in Maria Lakshman Reddy Institute of Technology and Management. It is located in Hyderabad, Dundigal. I joined CCBP 6 months ago, and during my 6 months, I have learned a lot of skills and I developed a lot of skills, and it is helping me in my regular courses. And my friends are really amazed. My friends are asking me daily, so why are you doing this actually? So I said I joined CCBP 6 months ago, and during my 6 months, I learned a lot of new things. And so they also decided to join CCBP. And now I'm going to discuss about what is generative AI. So first of all, we'll talk about what is AI. AI is nothing but artificial intelligence. We all know what is AI. So AI, what does AI do? AI generally takes data, and it collects the various sources, and during in that sources it collects the patterns. Identifying the patterns, it creates a many new things. Suppose when we take an example of ChatGPT, now everyone is using ChatGPT. So if you want to search anything, we just give a simple text in the ChatGPT, and then it gives a simple and overview description about the entire topic which we want. So it is a AI bot actually. It is nothing but a generative AI. Since many days we are using Google, but now the ChatGPT is ruling the world. It is simply but generative AI. So this generative AI helps us to create new things from the existing data. Thank you.